How to Make Money on Amazon ACX New Ways 2023. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at some of the new ways that you can make money with Amazon ACX. So let's get into it. Now, Amazon ACX is a platform that allows you to create audiobooks, and how you can make money with Amazon ACX is that you can become a narrator or a author. So you can easily sell your books, you can sell your own books, or actually read a couple of other books with Amazon ACX and earn money. It is simple, easy, and effective, and it's a lot better than doing affiliate marketing for, small products or trying to sell products and do all of those different things. Instead of having to do that, you can easily make money off of ACX, and you can even build a career for it. So you can see that these are some of their highlighted people. These people have made a lot of money using their platform. They are producers, authors, narrators, so on and so forth, and they have used the ACX platform. So you can earn money simply by creating audiobooks. Now, how you can get started with ACX is that if you actually scroll down to the bottom, you can see how to earn money with audiobooks. And you can see over here that you can easily create your own book with ACX. You can become a publisher, but a lot of people might say, hey, I am not a publisher. I don't know that kind of stuff. That is not my niche. Well, there are still ways that you can earn money with ACX, and that is simply by going into their How It Works section, and you're going to click on narrator. Now, becoming a narrator is going to help you a lot in making money in a simple fashion. You don't need any tremendous skill. You only need to be able to speak fluently. If you're able to speak fluently, then you can become a ACX narrator. So the best part about all of this is that you have two different ways that you can choose to get paid. First off, you have your per finished hour rate, which would be a hourly rate. So let's say that I'm just going to open up our handy dandy calculator. Let's say that you want to earn some passive income, and you want to earn some basic income. So you can easily get paid up to $20 per hour, and if you work 3 hours, that would be $60 every day for just 3 hours of work. Now, it can really vary depending on how difficult the book is, what the requirements of the book are, so on and so forth. But you can choose to get a per finished hour rate. So let's say if you finish 1 hour of recording, maybe you want to get paid $80 for that. And if you're doing, so let's say that for 1 hour of completed work, you want $80. And then let's say we do 3 hours of completed work, you can earn $240 every day with this method. Now, another way to actually multiply your earnings is share royalties from sales with rights holders. So what you can do is that you can create a audiobook in the form of, just reading the book. You can become the narrator. After you have done that, you can actually share royalties. So you can be like, every time this book is purchased, you want a certain percentage of royalties. So let's say that an audiobook is selling for $50, and you ask for royalties of 1% out of that. So you're going to get 1% of $50. So if you just go into your calculator over here, so 1% of $50, you're going to get 0.5 of every, sale made, and 1% is a very low percentage. You can easily calculate 25% with these kinds of platforms, and let's say 25% of $50 would be $12.05. So you can actually choose to share royalties, and every time someone purchases the book, you're going to get $12.05. So you're not going to get any money initially for when you are recording, but when the book is published and when people start purchasing the audiobook, then you're going to be able to earn money. And all you have to do is getting started with their platform. You can sign up on ACX, create a profile that details your experience. You can upload a couple of samples based on your accents, the genres that you can work in, and the different styles that you have. Then you can negotiate how you want to get paid. So you have your per finished hour rate, or choose your share of 50% of royalties. So you can choose to do both or either one of them. So you can negotiate a small amount of royalties with a basic per hour fee rate as well. Then you have to audition for books. You can search for books, you can accept the offers, and then start recording. And you also get to work with other professionals and get paid. Now, if you want to get started with ACX, all you have to do is head on over back to the acx.com platform. And once you go onto their home page, you can click on Are You an Actor or Producer? and then you can click on find a book for your voice, and this is without even signing up. You can actually see titles accepting audition. So there are over 677 books that are still looking for a narrator, and you can see there are books from every niche out there. So you can see that there are books from every niche out there, but you're not going to be able to audition for a lot of these based on certain fixations. So let's say that you are a female or male. So if a book wants a female narrator, then they want a female narrator. So I'm going to select female. Now you can see these books all require a female narrator. But if they want a male narrator, so if they want a male, and you can click on apply over here, you can see these books want a male narrator, and there are some books that want a gender neutral, or for those books that it really doesn't matter who is narrating the book, they are fine with it. But it is important that you keep in mind some of the results will be filtered out. Once you browse their books, you can see there are, there is a very large selection of books, and you can easily find a genre that you're interested in, even if you have like a specific category you're interested in. So let's say I want to record for this. So first off, I'm going to open this book. You can see the project budget, you can see the estimated length, the word count, English, the distribution, territories, and then you have your requirements. So nonfiction, English, and they want a male. They want an adult with a specific accent. So for every book, you will be able to see a accent that they want, if it's an American accent, if it's a general American accent, if they want a Texan accent, a British accent. So this can be really, really broad, and you don't need to worry about accents really that much unless they require like a very specific accent. If you can speak English fluently enough, and if you have a basic accent, you can easily convert that and learn to create to be a more American accent. Now, this is not a specific requirement for all books. You can see this book has non-specified as their accent, so they really don't care, and they want a inspirational vocal style with a character age of an adult. So it's pretty easy and simple to get started with Amazon ACX, and it is a effective way to make money. Now, the rest, all you have to do is click on sign up now on the top right of your screen. Once you click on that, you can create your Amazon account if you don't already have one. So now you can see over here, I have simply joined in on Amazon ACX, and now it's going to ask me some basic information, your basic registration, and then after you have done that, you will provide your basic details and your previous work, and that is it. So that is how simple and easy it is to make money with Amazon ACX. Not only that, but you can also become an author, so you can narrate your own book as well. You can also publish your own book using ACX, and you also have things such as print publisher and studio professional. These are all jobs that you can get with Amazon ACX. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video, and make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.